Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be doing some stretching exercises to improve our leg flexibility. Let's get right on the mat. So now release our right leg behind us, up and down. Let's say 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll repeat the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to walk, sway the hip side to side. 5 more. 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to come into our side lunge. This knee is facing forward and you're going to into it. Okay? Go in, come back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, stay there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Lengthen this leg and all the way hands up and stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go deeper, stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to come up, knee down, side, on the other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lengthen. Hands up and exhale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Come back. Bring this knee and go straight to frog pose. Here, here, for 1 minute. 4, 16. Keep rocking. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, guys, we're going to release one leg and stay in it. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch over. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. Close. Ooh. Sit. Gonna do 90-90. Hands supported, hip open. 1. Ooh. 2. 8. 9. 10. Lengthen. Stretch, 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 stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your legs. Let's take butterfly. After butterfly, we're going to try runner's lunge and then split. And then that's going to bring us to the end of our practice. So, flap, 20 seconds. Hands up, exhale down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're going to go straight to our runner's lunge. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to drop and then you're going to come into half split for 5. This is the perfect way for you to transition without overdoing it. Okay, so from here, begin as you go from here and see how low you can drop the leg. Advance your lift and then slowly drop. Okay, so this is going to be for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return. Runner's lunge. Lift. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, drop. Half split. Let's stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's go. 10, 9, You're going 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, return this leg. Ooh. And we're going to lie down. Well done. You can either do mid chest hug, half happy baby. Anyone is fine. So for today's practice, we're going to do half happy baby on each leg. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. Lengthen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return. Lengthen that leg. Knee to chest hug. Reach for half happy baby. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now lengthen, 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 and lengthen. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Now come into a butterfly with the soles of your feet facing for 10. Happy baby for 5. Extend. And that brings us to the end of our stretching exercises to improve our flexibility. Remember, if you like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notification, like this video, and leave a comment. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.